Here's a new 2019 Cadillac XT5. The distinctive exterior lends itself to more balance on the road and greater space inside, while the engine delivers excitement behind the wheel. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: automatic transmission, automatic with driver control suspension management, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automated parking sensors, streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and V6 engine. Cadillac is driving the world forward. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 1-866-389-4996.
For value.